Welcome to Dahua DeepHub Intelligent Digital Production Line. Next, let's take a look at how DeepHub whiteboards are born. In the production line, AGV intelligent handling robots are adopted to achieve efficient material handling, production collaboration, and data interconnection, so as to improve the production efficiency and stability of smart whiteboards. Entering the dust-free workshop, the man and material diversion air shower purification mode is adopted. The dust-free workshop reaches the class 1000 cleanliness level and always maintains constant temperature and humidity, ensuring the high cleanliness and quality standards of precision components. Through the collaboration between automated equipment and intelligent management systems, efficient production is realized, providing important support for in-depth integration of production and research. Based on the product usage scenarios, the equipment undergoes comprehensive hardware and software system aging tests to ensure the stability and reliability of continuous operation. The high automation and standardization of the production line, the strict requirements of manufacturing processes, and the guarantee of comprehensive aging tests will continuously bring users high-quality and reliable smart whiteboards.